Wall Street saw gains for the second straight session as investors weighed economic data and the Trump administration's policies. The Dow rose 0.85%, the S&P 500 gained 0.64%, and the Nasdaq climbed 0.31%. Retail sales in February saw only a slight uptick, missing expectations. Meanwhile, factory activity in New York plunged to a two-year low. Analysts have said that investor sentiment remains cautious with uncertainty around tariffs and federal job cuts. Despite the recent stock sell-off, some sectors are showing resilience, particularly in online retail. Market watchers are closely monitoring economic trends for further signs of stability. Google's parent company Alphabet is in advanced talks to acquire Israeli cybersecurity firm Wiz for over $30 billion. If finalized, this would be Alphabet's largest ever acquisition. The tech giant had previously offered $23 billion last year, but Wiz backed out over antitrust concerns. The deal could bolster Alphabet's cloud security business, which generated $43 billion last year. However, regulatory scrutiny is expected as Trump's administration may still enforce some antitrust measures. Neither the company has officially confirmed the talks. Wall Street analysts predict increased deal-making activity despite ongoing uncertainties around global tariffs. The U.S. Commerce Department has banned the Chinese AI model DeepSeek from government devices, citing security concerns. A department-wide email warned employees not to download or access DeepSeek on official equipment. Lawmakers argue the AI tool could expose sensitive data to the Chinese government. Several states, including Texas, New York, and Virginia, have already prohibited its use. A bipartisan bill in Congress seeks a nationwide ban. DeepSeek previously triggered a global market sell-off over fears it could challenge U.S. dominance in AI. The Commerce Department has not yet commented on the extent of the ban. The global video game market is set for major growth, driven by the upcoming launch of Grand Theft Auto VI and Nintendo's next-gen Switch, according to research firm Newzoo. The gaming industry has been slow to recover post-pandemic, but analysts expect console sales to surge with these high-profile releases. Between 2024 and 2027, console software revenues projected to grow by 7%, outpacing PC gaming's 2.6% rise. By 2027, consoles will account for over 56% of the total PC and console software market, estimated at $92.7 billion. Chinese automaker BYD has revealed a breakthrough in electric vehicle charging. Its new Super E platform promises to charge EVs as fast as refueling a petrol car. With peak charging speeds of 1000 kilowatt, BYD claims a 5-minute charge will power an EV for 400 kilometers. This is twice as fast as Tesla's latest superchargers. In a first, BYD also announced plans to build a nationwide EV charging network in China, a move that could accelerate the country's transition to electric vehicles. German automaker Audi plans to eliminate 7,500 jobs in administration and development by 2029 as part of cost-cutting measures. The move aims to save $1.1 billion annually. This brings total planned layoffs across the Volkswagen Group to nearly 48,000, with cuts at VW, Porsche, and software unit CARIAD. Audi has already slashed 9,500 production jobs since 2019 to fund its electric vehicle transition. However, weak sales and high operational costs have hit the company hard, dragging down its profit margins. Audi's financial results for 2024 are set to be released soon. Honda and Suzuki will join Tesla's carbon emissions pool in 2025 to meet the European Union climate targets. The agreement allows automakers to offset their emissions by partnering with Tesla, which produces only electrical vehicles. While other major automakers, including Stellantis, Toyota, and Ford, are also part of the EU emissions pool, failing to meet the EU's 2025 carbon reduction standards could lead to billions in fines for non-compliant manufacturers. By pooling emissions, companies can avoid penalties while continuing their transition towards greener technologies.